How to find equine dentistry tools and equipment. 1. Identify your needs. Determine the specific tools required, such as speculums, rasps, forceps, and power floats. 2. Research reliable suppliers. Look for reputable veterinary and equine dental equipment suppliers online or through professional networks. 3. Consult professional associations. Organizations like the American Association of Equine Practitioners, AEP, provide recommendations on quality tools. 4. Read reviews and testimonials. Look for customer feedback to assess durability, efficiency, and usability of the tools. 5. Compare prices and warranties. Ensure you get the best value by comparing prices, checking warranties, and return policies. 6. Verify compliance and safety standards. Ensure the tools meet veterinary safety and hygiene standards. By following these steps, you can find reliable and high-quality equine dentistry tools and equipment.